Hello, we have a new blend to share with you called the Meditation Diffuser Blend.
I'm excited for it.
We designed this blend to help you meditate, but if you don't meditate, it'll help you relax and create mental focus.
Oh, so I can use this before I go to yoga.
Yeah, that would be a great warm-up.
Awesome.
So, to make this diffuser blend, you need 2 drops of whole wood essential oil and 3 drops of lemon essential oil.
And a diffuser, of course.
You can go ahead and add those to the diffuser.
Okay.
And this blend, these oils together, smells so good that you're gonna wanna make a master blend. So once you have that done, we'll teach you how to do that. All right, let's diffuse it and smell it and meditate. It smells really good,
Yeah, it does
doesn't
smell
it?
really good.
So the whole wood will help you focus, and the lemon essential oil helps bring mental clarity. So perfect for relaxing or for yoga. Yeah, meditation. So to make a master blend of this oil, you'll need a 5 milliliter bottle. For your subscribers, this comes in your big bonus box. And you will need 40 drops of whole wood essential oil and 60 drops of lemon. So Shiley, you can do the honors.
Good.
All right, once you have it in there, give it a swirl to mix the essential oils together. And grab a label so that you don't forget what is in this little amber bottle.
Oh, it's so cute. Ta-da!
You can also use this diffuser blend on one of our new diffuser bracelets. They are super cute. And to do it, you just add a few drops of the blend onto the beads. The beads are
lava beads.
Yep, the beads are lava rock, so they absorb the essential oil, and they will naturally slowly be released into the air. Smell great. So you can set it in a bowl, add the oils, let them soak in for a little bit, and then it's ready to be worn. So for more recipes like this one,
go to simplyearth.com and check out our blog.
and don't also check out our recipe box, because our subscribers get everything they need to make this recipe and more.
See you later.